How to set up safeguard on Telegram. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll let you guys know the ways to set up safeguard on Telegram. To do it, so first thing first, open up or log into your Telegram account. After you're logged into your account, then you want to go ahead and open up the chat or the channel. So this is mine. Now click the add member from the top right, and on the search box you want to type in safeguard. When you type in that, you just want to go ahead and tap on a tick mark and click the add button. You can see that you've added a safeguard. Now you have to go ahead and set it up. Now give a slash and type in set up. After which you want to go ahead and click on the create portal. Now here you'll be able to see click start below to begin the verification process. So you just have to click the start button, and now you could see to begin, click below and select the group that you want to attach your portal to. So you could just go ahead and select a group, and let's say this is the one, and click the send button. After you've done it, so you could also go ahead and add a channel where your portal will be created. So let's say this is the one. Now tap on the send button. As you could see that you've actually done it. So now once again, you could either go ahead and add a buttons, or you could either create a portal. So you could go ahead and do that. This way you'll be able to set up safeguard on your Telegram account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.